Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know fuel filter is bad. First, park safely and relieve fuel system pressure before inspecting components. Wear gloves and eye protection and work in a ventilated area. Locate the filter by consulting your manual or tracing the fuel line from the tank to the engine. Look for visible debris, corrosion, or fuel leaks, and note any disconnected fittings or swollen hoses. Listen and feel how the engine behaves under different loads to spot filter issues. Start the car, rev gently, and watch for sputtering or hesitation when accelerating. Pay attention to rough idle, frequent stalling, or power loss climbing hills. Inspect for fuel odors or visible wet spots around the filter and fuel lines. Combining symptom checks with a hands-on inspection helps confirm whether the fuel filter needs replacement. Use simple tests to diagnose a bad fuel filter without guessing. Measure fuel pressure with a gauge and compare readings to specs. Low pressure under load often points to restriction. If safe, swap in a new or known good filter to see if symptoms clear. Always inspect nearby components too, because clogged lines or a failing pump can mimic filter problems. Document your findings and plan the replacement if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.